Is tradition holding you back? Unveiling the power of Zip. Ever walk out of a store with that nagging feeling you might have overspent? Maybe you saw that perfect outfit, that new gadget you just had to have, but the price tag sent shivers down your spine. We've all been there. It's a classic battle, instant gratification versus responsible spending. But what if there was a way to bridge that gap? A service that lets you enjoy that purchase today without the financial hangover tomorrow? That's where Zip comes in. You might know Zip as a payment option at checkout, but is that all it does? Buckle up, because we're about to break down the surprising versatility of Zip and show you how it can revolutionize the way you manage your money. Let's rewind a bit. Remember the days of clunky credit cards and limited online payment options? Thankfully, those times are over. Today, a new wave of financial technology, or fintech for short, is changing the game. Companies like Zip are offering innovative tools that put you, the consumer, in control. Sure, Zip allows you to split purchases into manageable installments, making that dream vacation or must-have tech more accessible. But its functionality goes way beyond a simple payment method. Here's the exciting part: Zip can be your one-stop shop for smarter financial management. Budgeting on autopilot. Picture this, a virtual assistant for your wallet. Zip offers budgeting tools that help you categorize your spending, track expenses, and set goals. No more scrambling through receipts or relying on guesswork. See exactly where your money goes, identify areas to cut back, and plan for future purchases, all within the Zip app. Boosting your buying power. Let's talk about flexibility. Zip offers not one, but two distinct options, zippay and Zip Money. Zippay is perfect for everyday purchases, functioning like a digital credit card with a spending limit. Spread the cost of groceries, clothing, or even that weekend getaway over several weeks, interest-free. Need something a little bigger? Zip Money offers pre-approved lines of credit for larger purchases. Think furniture, appliances, or even that dream home improvement project. Pay it back in manageable installments, again with the potential for interest-free periods. Building a brighter financial future. Financial responsibility isn't just about budgeting and payments. It's about building creditworthiness, that golden key to financial freedom. On-time Zip repayments are reported to major credit bureaus, helping you establish a positive credit history. This can open doors to better loan options, lower interest rates, and a brighter financial future. Shopping rewards galore. Let's face it, who doesn't love a good reward? Zip partners with a wide range of stores, offering exclusive discounts and cashback programs when you use Zip at checkout. Imagine treating yourself to that new phone while earning money back. It's a win-win. Beyond payments, a financial ecosystem. We've talked about budgeting, splitting payments, building credit, and earning rewards. But Zip's potential goes even further. Imagine a world where your financial tools seamlessly integrate. Zip allows you to connect your bank accounts, credit cards, and loyalty programs within the app. This creates a one-stop hub for all your financial needs. See your overall financial picture, manage bills, and even send and receive money, all from the comfort of your phone. The takeaway: unleashing the power of Zip. Zip isn't just about payments, it's a comprehensive financial management platform designed to empower you. It's about taking control of your finances, making smarter choices, and achieving your financial goals. Whether you're a budgeting pro or just starting your financial journey, Zip offers valuable tools and flexibility to transform the way you manage your money. So, next time you're faced with a tempting purchase, remember, Zip can be your partner in responsible spending and achieving financial freedom. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.